On this video, we'll start the problem on the next adjustment, that is cost of sales adjustment. Okay, the cost of sales, how we will get? So this is the one model figure or the one model format. We can say that, so the opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock, you will get the cost of sales. Okay, so let us see the problem based on the cost of sales adjustment. The first one is calculate the cost of sales adjustment from the following. Okay, they have given the historic cost and the price index for the given items, that is opening stock 52,100 as the index. Second one, purchases 2,20,000, 110 as the price index. So if we add these two, we will get the 2,72,000. So less, so in this amount we are going to deduct 72,000. We got the cost of sales as 2 lakh. For the closing stock, we have the 1,120 as the price index. Okay, so here we have the two methods to calculate our cost of sales adjustment. Okay, the one is the same formula which we used in the calculation of this one. Okay, let us see the first method. Okay, so here I have the two methods. The first method is by using the given formula, so this formula, and the second one method using this formula, that is COSA equals to current cost of sales minus historical cost of sales. Okay, first let us see by using the formula how we can go through with the calculation part. So I have wrote the formula here. What is C means? It is the value on your end of the day, that is 72,000. Okay, what is O means? It is the amount at the starting of the day, that is 52,000, minus IA is, so it is the index on average. So how we can take the average? So we can also add the opening and closing stock divided by 2, you will get the average. So here you can see, so 100 plus 120, so this is the total value we got, 220 divided by 2 will get the 110 as the average price index. So this is taken here as the simple 110. Okay, so again we will open the bracket. What is C? C is again 72,000 divided by index on that day was, so 120, minus, so what is O? It is 52,000. So what was the price index on that day? 100. So this close the bracket. So now we'll simplify the value. First we will take out these values. So that is 72,000 minus 52,000 will remain same, minus 110. So these two figures let us see. 72,000 divided by 120 will get the 600, minus 52,000 divided by 100 will get the 520. So in the next step we'll go for, so we can go through with this valuation, that is 72,000 minus 52,000, that is 20,000, minus 110. So the difference of this value is 80, right? So now we will going to do the 20,000 minus 110 into 80 will get the 8,800. So we'll get the 11,200 as the value of COSA, that is using the first method of COSA. Okay, similarly we'll go for second method, whether we will get the same valuation of the amount or not. So let us see. Okay, so now I will go for by using the same this in our current cost method. Let us discuss. Okay, already we have the historical cost of sales, that is 2 lakh. Okay, now what we need to calculate? Current cost of sales we need to calculate. For that I am going to take the same, that is opening stock. So opening stock was how much? It is 52,000 as the before, right? So I am converting to the current cost figure here. Okay, what will be our conversion factor? The first one, so we are converting to the average value, that is 110. So but we are converting at the from the value of 100. So what will be our answer? Let us see. So why I have took the 110 means, so the IA, that is index average, should be taken in case of the our valuation of the our conversion divider factor. Okay, so now I will get the 52,000 into 110 divided by 100. I will get the 57,200. For this I am adding the purchases. Purchases are 2,20,000. So we have the conversion factor, converting to 110, converting from 110, and the same figure will be giving you the valuation. So now for this I am adding these two figures. $2,77,200. Okay, for this I am going to deduct the closing stock. The closing stock, how much? It is 72,000, right? So it is 72,000. So we are converting to 110. So we are converting from which price index? 120. Okay, now we will get the how much value. Let us see. So it is 66,000. 66,000. We just deduct the value in this figure, 2,77,200. We got the 2,11,200. 2,11,200 is the value current cost of sales. Okay, so now we come for the formula, that is COSA equals to current cost of sales is, so this figure just now we took, that is rupees 2,11,200 minus the historic cost. Already in the given question we have the historical cost of our sales, that is 2 lakh. The difference amount is rupees 11,200. Okay, so any of the method you can apply. So both are easy and both are convenient. So whichever easy to you to calculate, so you get through with that solution. Okay, so hope you understood the cost of sales method.